friends, Running Kimono here. So we are looking at a curbside video today, specifically with P&G products and trying to make some magic happen. And some of these prices are really fantastic. If you can put your order in today, even if you're in a snowstorm, go and pick it up later in the week. These are deals definitely worth putting in for. I will let you know right off the cuff that the Walgreens app, whatever you're doing, it's not going to show you your estimated cash. If you have a desktop computer or a laptop, it will show you your estimated cash, which is really funny and weird. So just be mindful of that. If you're the kind of shopper that wishes to do deals in store, specifically with register rewards, watch yesterday's video. And my goodness gracious, the clearance is on point right now over at Walgreens. So if you want to check that out, I definitely will link this video at the very end. If you are the kind of shopper that wants to look around in store. And specifically with this razor, a lot of you were reporting that pink one, the $6 store coupon is not attaching. However, an $8 register reward when you buy two is printing. So you'll pay $4, get an $8 register reward, making it a $4 moneymaker. That is in store only. We're looking to stack these two, the 15 back when you spend 45 and a 7 back when you spend 40. So we're looking for deals and other sub deals that are working with this deal to get the cheapest stuff. When you are in the Walgreens website or app, however you wish to do this today, and it's the last 2 days I haven't been able to see those estimates, so that's been kind of like that's the sad Price is Right music I just did. You're looking for this 15 back when you spend 45, where the arrow is on any product you're looking for. Some are part of it, some are not part of it. So just be mindful of that. Let's hop right into the deals. Deal number 1. Well, you obviously need your two best friends loaded. 15 back when you spend 45 on P&G and a 7 back when you spend 40. Now, I will also let you guys know that when you are doing this deal, they're of a one-time use. So pick and choose wisely which deal you wish to do. For this basket, we're going to grab 2 of the cheaper Pantene shampoos for $10. We're going to load the 2 off a 2 digital manufacturer coupon. So who doesn't like a little bit of Pantene? And then we're also going to throw into the mix 1 Tide Pod for $14.99. And we're also going to throw this guy into the mix, which is a $3 off of the Tide Pod. Toss in 2 of the Olay face cleansers for $8.23 on a buy one, get one 50% off. Load this digital coupon if you may have it, which is a 5 off of 2. See how it says only for you, so hopefully you have the same one as I. And we're going to grab 3 of the Olay body washes at $7 a pop for $21. So 3 of those, and we have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. And there's also a promotion for this of buy 3, get a $5 off, and Pantene is $3 back when you buy 2, and that was a load coupon. So just to show you here, your subtotal is $54.22. I could not get Heart 15 or Heart 20 to come off, but WAG 20 came off this morning. Free curbside pickup and tax and $15 in digitals melting off. So from $54.22, we're still at that $45 threshold, even with a $1.52 off. So you're going to pay $40.82 with your debit card, and then you're getting back $30 in Walgreens cash. So of that, 15 for P&G, 7 for the promotion, 5 for buying 3 of the Olay body washes, and then you're getting another $3 back when you buy 2 Pantenes online, and that was a loadable little booster as well. So it basically makes your basket like, $7, not factoring in the tax, or 89 cents per product, which is a fabulous price point. Remember to pay with your debit card as you're using a bunch of different spend boosters, and you don't want any trouble with that. Okay, so deal number 2, you need your 2 best friends loaded, the 15 back when you spend 45 and the 7 back when you spend 40. Have both of these guys loaded, and probably a couple hours after you pick up your order in store, the points should appear on your store card. For this one, we're going to grab one of the very fancy Olay Super Serums for $34.99, and then one of the Regenerist lotions for $29.99. So if you have, like, dry skin, like yours truly, this is definitely the deal to do. We're in the dead of winter and we're gonna have 6 more weeks left of this, so this might be a deal, like happy Valentine's Day to you. These are only for you coupons, so hopefully you have the same ones as I. The first is a $15 off of the Olay Super Serum, and the second one is a 12 off of one for that Olay lotion. I love it whenever we get these high value coupons for these products. Now, just to show you, using the code SAVE20, $7.60 melted off for me. Go and figure that one out. So $64.98, $7.60 melting off, free curbside pickup and tax, $27 in digitals melting off. So with the tax, I'm paying $33.82, and then I'm getting back $22.57 in Walgreens cash for the 2 boosters. So it makes it a very good deal for these lotions. Okay, so now we're looking at deal number 3. Again, for this one, you need your 2 best friends loaded, these 2 guys. Pick and choose wisely which deal you wish to do as well. So for this one, we're going to be grabbing 3 of the Olay body washes, and we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon, so that's $21 right there. We're going to load this friend, which is the 5 off 3 digital, and Olay body wash is on a promotion of buy 3, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. We're also going to put in one of these fancy dancy lotions for $29.99. And then we also have this digital coupon, the 12 off of 1, and hopefully you have the same one as I. This is just kind of an abbreviated deal. If you love Olay, you get some body wash and a beautiful face cream. The overall total is $50.99, WAG 10 taking $1.80 off, $17 in digitals melting off. So you're going to pay $35.14 with your debit card and get back $27.49. So you guys can see, yes, the out of pocket is a little bit, but with the 2 boosters and the promotion on the Olay body wash, it makes it a pretty good deal, like a very good deal for this stuff. Okay, so the final deal that we're going to look at is deal number 4. You're going to need your 2 best friends loaded. And for this one, we're going to be grabbing one of these fancier Oral-B IO toothbrushes for $79.99. We have a $10 digital, and the promotion Save 20 is actually applying to this. So we're going to throw this into our basket. Load this digital coupon, which is a 10 off of 1 for that toothbrush. And then just to show you, the code SAVE20 while you're saving $14 right there. The overall total is $79.99, $14 with Save 20, $10 with that digital coupon. You're going to pay $59.95 with your debit card, and then you're getting back $32.65. And it is $22 for the 2 boosters, and then an extra $10 for spending $50 on Oral-B IO. I don't know when the app is going to show back up with those estimates, but yeah, maybe it's worth looking on a desktop computer or a laptop today to try to get the mathing. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.